So most of us go to college, and we go to college to get a good paying job, to go to a career that we love, and then we end up getting married, having babies, and we have this vision that we're going to have this extremely fabulous life and be able to do and buy whatever we want, right? Because we went to college and got a good paying job. The problem is most of us are burnt out after 5 years of that job. Why? Because now you have the stress of family, kids, sports, activities, events, everything costs money. It's just kind of crazy, right? So I want to share something with you. I don't want you to feel like you have to be stuck in a job that you're burnt out in because you get paid really good money. I want you to know that there's other opportunities out there. And one of those opportunities is building a business online or a side hustle, whatever you want to do. Now, there's different things you can do. You can do side hustles like making soap or making cups or making t-shirts, but the problem is you have inventory, shipping, customer service, and I don't want anything like that. So I became an affiliate marketer, and I don't have anything, no inventory, no shipping, no customer service. I don't even have to close the sale. Basically, my job is to refer the product or market the product. Now, it doesn't have to end there. If you don't want to promote that product, do you actually know the course teaches you to kind of use your imagination and your creativity to create other things so you can actually learn and become an expert at a certain skill? Maybe that's building a Facebook group. Maybe that's knowing how to build a funnel really well. Maybe that's using Canva and knowing all the ins and outs of how to create different ebooks or documents in Canva. And do you know you can actually sell those courses or those trainings for a lot of money? So don't think because you took an affiliate marketing course that you're stuck promoting the course. Now you can, and I do, but I just want to let you know you have other options. And that's what's important about taking the right training and even investing in a mentor, because a mentor is going to open your eyes and open the opportunity more for you that there's multiple ways that you can make money online. So don't stay stuck in a job you're burnt out in.